this is Yain from Changing Habits. A couple of my friends have been asking me how to grow microgreens, so let's get to it. Growing microgreens consists of two parts. One is the container and one is the seeds. So I'll start with the container part. This kit, which was Daniel's birthday present from his family. You can see it's a mason jar that has a screen that filters out the water but still keeps the seeds within. You can search a microgreen sprouting jar and you can find there's a lot of people selling it. But for me, I'd recommend if you have like jars at homes that you don't need, that was previously bought for like pasta sauce and stuff like what I have here, what you can do is you can make your own screen on top with things that's already available at home. Okay, so we got this. I could put it on top like a screen and then later on just put it in place with the rubber band. So if you don't have these, it's okay, be resourceful. Like I have this, which came in a cereal package. It's supposed to be waterproof as well, and so you can just cut a small piece out of it, put it on top, poke holes, and again use a elastic band to secure it. Alright, so that is the jars, and then we go into the seeds. So there's different kind of seeds and you can check them online. There's a full list of the microgreens that you can actually buy, or you can buy in your local store that sells natural products. Our favorite is the mustard rocket, broccoli, and mustard. Did I say that already? This is our favorite. Yeah, I use this much seeds to grow this whole jar. So now we move on to the actual process. First step of growing your microgreens is to soak your seeds. Okay, I think this would be good for this jar. It depends on the size of your seeds, but usually the bigger ones you soak 4 to 6 hours and the smaller one 2 to 3 hours would do. The second step is to rinse your seeds twice a day. After I drain the water out of the jar, I put it upside down like this in a 45-degree angle so that the excess water will still fall into this. I think usually on the second or the third day you'll start to see it germinate, and once the greens pop out, you can put it into a place where there's more sunlight so it can help it grow faster. This jar over here, I think today is the 6th or the 7th day that we have it already. It looks like it's ready to be eaten. Yummy. Ever since Dan and I got this grow your own microgreen kit, we've been producing microgreens non-stop. I really enjoy it. It's super flavorful, packed with nutrients, and it's very satisfying to know that you can grow your own food at home and you have fresh supplies with a very low budget. So I hope you guys enjoy it and share with me the recipes that you guys make for your meal out of this. Bon appetit! Thingy! Okay, I'll just adjust that a bit. Yeah, I think it's okay.
So you say fill it with cold water. Oh
Whoa,
yeah.
the seeds came out. Okay.
Of course they came out, Pope. You've got a tiny.
So ever since Dan and I got, it's a nut. Pre-temper 3 hours. Pre-temper.
Pré-trempé, max 3 ans. Ah, okay, fair enough. Oh, sorry.
I'm correct.
Anyways, I did.
I'm correct.
Anyways, I did at the end.